Good morning, teacher. My name is Juan Herrera. Today, I am here to describe one of my classmates' day. Friends, I am going to describe Inks, Kyle, Kevin Giraldo. Hayes, Peruvian nationality. Hayes, Thai, and of its replacement, its chief. My favorite room is mine. It's located and day for I play story. Day activities do it's today so exercise to distract myself.